Okay, hi everyone. Now we are at actually page 8 of our worksheet 3.3, which is on the elimination method. And here we are going to look at one very annoying thing called the fraction. So we got two equations in x and y, two variable, two unknown x and y, and now the numbers have fractions. So how are we going to do with fractions? Now I will call this equation 1, I will call this equation 2. Now in order for us to settle the fraction, right, we don't like fraction. So what we do is we try to get rid of the denominator. So but before we get rid of the denominator, we have to make it easier for us. So we actually have to combine to find the common denominator. Okay, so from our equation 1, so what are we doing is I will write here equation 1. Right, so let me do some edit first, right? Let me do some edit first, equals to 4. Now, in order to make this the same denominator, 2 and 3, how do I make them the same? I should make them to become 6. So here I need to times 3. Okay, don't have to write actually. It's just for you to see. Don't have to write. Don't have to struggle and write, but you need to think about this. Now, 3, how to make it to be 6? I need to times 2 below times 2 above. 4 don't need to do anything because I just need to change this to same denominator. So here I will have actually 3x minus 2y. The common denominator now is 6 is equals to 4. Okay, so here the denominator is 6. So 3x minus 2 divided by 6 equals to 4. So what can I do to get rid of the 6? I can actually multiply the 6, correct? So when I multiply, it will actually go upwards. So here it will be 3x minus 2y multiply to the other side will be equals to 24. Okay, so this one will be my equation 1a. Okay, this one will be my equation 1a. Okay, because it comes from equation 1. Okay, let me try the second one from number 2. Let me try and see. I have a 2 over 5x minus y over 6. Let me write this in improper fraction. 7 over 2, correct? Now, 5 and 6, what is my common denominator? 5 and 6, I can make it to 30. So I have to times 6 times 6 times 5 times 5 at the numerator and denominator. Okay, so 6 times 2x, 6 times 2x, 12x. 5 times y minus, so minus 5y. Be careful of the minus sign. Now, common denominator 6 times 5 is 30 equals to 7 over 2. Alright, so fraction over fraction, we can do the cross multiply. So we get rid of the denominator by multiplying to the opposite side. So we call this cross multiplication. 2 multiply here, 2 times of this. 30 multiply there, so 7 times 30. Okay, so I'm going to continue from here. Right, I'm going to continue on from here, yeah? Alright, so 2 times 12. So I need to distribute the 2. Distribute the 2 inside. So 2 times 12. 2 times negative 5. Calculator. 7 times 30. 210. Okay, so here I have equation 2a because it comes from equation 2. And then I will have equation 1a. Let me write it, copy down and paste here first. Okay, this is my equation 1a, 24. Now, so here, because we have 4 different numbers, okay, we have 4 different numbers over here, the x and y, right, the coefficient is 4. How do we eliminate? We have to make one of them the same. So we can actually make 3 to become 24, or we can actually make 2 to become 10, up to you. So here we can times 8 to make it to this, we can times 5 to make the y 10. So actually times, I will just try to times y to make it the same. So what I do is I will take 1a times 5. Okay, take 1a times 5. So this entire thing, 1a times 5. So 1a is this one, 3 times 5, negative 2 times 5, 24 times 5. Calculator. So I call this equation 1b because I edited the equation 1a to get my 1b. So now, and then when I eliminate, I cannot eliminate the same thing. So I have to eliminate 1 with 2. So let me copy down this again. Copy here. Okay, copy this thing over here. Okay, up to you whether you want to copy or not, but I find copying easier. Okay, so now 10 and 10y. So same sign, I need to minus. So I will just take 2a minus 1b, equation 1b. 2a minus 1b, okay? So 2a, the entire thing of 2a, right, on the left hand side, minus this one on the left hand side, right? So this would be on the right hand side, I have 210 minus 120. So the numbers are big, but don't worry, okay? You can have your calculator to rely on. Ayo, the lamp fall again. So here, now let me simplify by opening up the bracket. So 24x minus 10y. This one I can minus, open the bracket, I have a minus 15x plus 10y, right, equals to, this one give me 90. You can use calculator to find. So rearrange, I got 24x minus 15x minus 10y plus 10y equals to 90. So here 24 minus 15, 9x, negative 10y plus 10y, 0. Okay, 9 times what is 90? X is equals to 10. Okay, first answer. The working is super long, but trust me, don't worry too much. Okay, we are a bit left. Okay, we have only a bit left. So using this, I'm going to put at 1a. Okay, using this, I'm going to put at 1a. So I sub my answer into 1a. Okay, I sub my answer into 1a. So I'm going to put it there into 1a. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 24. Copy and paste, just that the x I replace with 10. So 30 minus 2y is equals to 24. So how do I solve for this y? I need to minus this on the left, minus this on the right of the equal sign. So 30 minus 30, 0. This one will give me 2y, negative 2y. 20 minus 30 is negative 30. Right, last but not least, can divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So y will be equals to negative 30 divided by negative 2, 15. So the answer is x is 10, y is 15. Okay, so super long working, and I'm not and I won't be expecting you to like fully master in one go. Try, be patient. I suggest the next question you use your pencil to try and do. Okay, now when we come back, we will discuss in class. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. With the remaining time, I would like you to try this question and finish this question on your own. Thank you so much and have a great day.